Alright, so we're working on the Dremel 8220. It's having issues that it's not cutting off or cutting on. You see it doesn't want to, it just blinks. Even if I cut this off, take the battery out, basically this switch isn't working anymore. So we're going to switch it out, a new circuit board. This is the part number. It'll also be in the description down below. So from my understanding, all the Dremels are the same. You're only going to need 3 things to get this job done. It's literally plug and play. It's a T8 Torx, a flathead, or a pick. Either or is fine. You don't need both. So there are 5 screws, 1 clip, and also this little bracket. You also need to take this off as well. Your screws might be a little bit more tighter. I just been in here already doing the repair. Well, not doing the repair, just looking at what I need for I could order all the proper parts. I'll also put the link in the description of the website I used to order the parts. Well, the part. It's only 1 part you need. You know, if your Dremel wasn't in good working condition, you know, I would say just diagnose it more before just ordering random parts. So it just slides off. Well, I have mine upside down, I believe. So all of this comes off in one piece like that. There's a negative and a positive. It's pretty simple. You could just pull this off, wiggle it off a little bit. Try not to be too rough because you don't want to damage it. Damage the motor. So this is the part here that we're replacing. From the looks of it, this is the part that's failed, which is the on and off switch. I did try to take it apart and clean it, but it didn't work. So this is the brand new part. Exactly the same. I do believe this is not directional. I will let you guys know once I get it plugged in. It is a little firm to put it in. Just be careful not to bend the tabs. Again, I'm just trying to reference everything to make sure I have it in the right orientation that it needs to go. It is giving me a little, you know, bit of a hassle, but like I said, everything is brand new, so you have to just work it kind of where it needs to go. It is a little tedious, but it beats buying a whole brand new Dremel if the only thing it needed was this little part. And I believe this part was not that much. I have to double check and see how much this part cost me. Just want to test everything out. See, this isn't in the right spot. It was out of the groove, so definitely test everything out before, you know, closing it up. Alright, so I think we're pretty much set. Alright, so there's also a little spring for the release right here, so just be mindful of that when you're putting it back on as well. Alright, so it does not want to sit down for me, so actually, if you're seeing this on real time, I actually made a mistake. So I was actually putting everything in on this side. It's actually this side that everything has to go in. It has a groove right here to hold this board, and that's what I was missing. So we're just gonna do it again, but on this end right here, and everything should fit way more better. I was missing the groove to hold this, you know, this circuit board right here. Alright, so that circuit board is in now. Perfect. Alright. Like I said, this is my first time doing this. I did have it apart before, but okay, so everything is sitting more better as well. There is a groove here that wasn't on this side for this circuit board as well. Perfect, so it's sitting more better now. Alright, so everything has a home. It's in the little grooves. Just be mindful, there's two sides. This side doesn't really have the grooves to hold this circuit board in. So now we're going to put the buttons and everything on. When you're putting on the on and off button, just be mindful. You have to put this little groove under this little lip here. You can't put it underneath, you got to put it on top. All right. So I'm trying to figure out which way this goes in. Like I said, everything is directional. It can only go in one way. So if it's not going in when you're putting it, just flip it around, try it a different way. Alright, so I got that in. This is pretty simple. I have to take this out just a little bit. This slides in, it has a groove. Boom, perfect. Again, you could also test it out as well before putting everything back together. You see everything's working now. All right. Perfect. We're going to take the battery out before we can finish. I'm just looking everything over, making sure everything's correct. Making sure I'm not forgetting nothing. Alright, so I want to start by first putting this clip back in. It kind of holds everything together. You could also put this on as well. This holds the top piece together. Alright. This literally just snaps in. There you go. That's all you needed. This is the only part that was bad. If your motor is bad, you can also replace the motor if you diagnose it and it's not this piece. Thank you for watching.